In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to play Fortnite on iPhone 12. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. If you have an iPhone 12 or any other model of iPhone, you can actually get Fortnite to work. As you might be aware, it was taken off of the App Store some years ago and it hasn't returned since during the time that I'm recording this video. But you can still find ways to play the game, and they are officially supported and talked about by Epic Games. So for this method, you will need to use Xbox Cloud Gaming. So if we visit the official Fortnite website, they will say that if you are in the European Union, you can actually just download the Epic Games Store through the App Store, and after you download it, you simply choose the option to install Fortnite. Like I said, this is only going to be available on mobile if you are in the EU. So for people who are in North America, like the USA, you will need to play using one of these services here: Xbox Cloud Gaming, GeForce Now, or Amazon Luna. It doesn't matter which one you select, but you will have to choose one of these because you will have to stream the game over the cloud. If you want to do it through Xbox, go to xbox.com/play through a web browser. So open a web browser and then go to this website, xbox.com/play. In here, you will be able to sign in using a Microsoft account, and when you sign in, you will see Fortnite available on the list of games. It is very popular, so it should appear on the main screen. If you choose this button here, the share button, you can add the Xbox Cloud Gaming website to your home screen. By doing this, it is essentially going to act like an application. So you will have this icon on your home screen, and every time that you tap it, you will open the website automatically. And once you go into the website, sign into an account, and you choose to play Fortnite, you will be taken through the queue, and once you are in the server, you are free to play. So you will have touch controls. As you can see here, everything will be set up for you, or you can connect an external controller, whatever you prefer. I hope I was able to help you on how to play Fortnite on iPhone 12. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.